Welcome back to Vladflix. So it couldn't be a better time to make something with champagne.
First, let's make one of the oldest and one of the most popular champagne cocktails. This drink should be served in a pre-chilled champagne glass. I will be making it in a flute, but you can try making it in a cooled glass. And if you can't keep it in the freezer, make sure to fill up glasses with ice and stir it until it gets cold. Use a napkin, place it on top of the flute, put 1 cubed sugar on it. Don't use loose sugar, we need it to create bubbles, and that's exactly what the cube will do as it slowly dissolves. Also, feel free to use brown sugar, just make sure it's cubed. Next, we need to add 2 dashes of the most popular bitter in the world, Angostura. A sugar cube is soaked, now put it inside a glass, and that's not an old-fashioned, so please don't muddle it. Next, we need to use this inexpensive basic brandy from Walmart. Well, okay, it actually recommended to use good quality cognac and it needed to be stored in a freezer or refrigerator before using it in this cocktail. Room temperature of cognac would dissolve sugar quickly and it won't be a proper champagne cocktail anymore. So yeah, I already mentioned that it's a great idea to use cognac for the price of your entire home bar. Now pour 1 ounce over the sugar cube. To be honest, I don't pop Hennessy XO bottles every day, so just in case if you didn't know that, besides being very smooth, it has probably the heaviest cap out of all bottles I ever opened. We don't have to use expensive champagne, but brut is highly recommended. Slowly pour champagne or sparkling wine to the top. For a garnish, we only need to squeeze oils from lemon or orange peel, or you can use both. When you drink it, it becomes slightly sweeter since sugar slowly dissolves. And with every sip, you feel more and more like Leo DiCaprio in The Great Gatsby. Our next modern version will be perfect for fun parties and celebrations, such as say goodbye to 2020 in a couple of days. Well, it depends what time you're watching it. First, let's make some chocolate for our strawberries. I'm going to use a dark one, but if you prefer to have white chocolate, just go for it. Put it on a plate and melt it. I already showed how we're doing this in the previous video when I made a Boozy hot chocolate bombs, so check it out. Take the good looking strawberry and carefully dip it into the melted chocolate. Always a good idea to make few extra right away. Place it on a plate or a serving board. It will take a minute for chocolate covered strawberries to be ready, but we don't have to wait. Let's start mixing. In the coupe glass, let's add 1 ounce of HPNOTIQ, and if you never tried it before, it's a cognac and vodka based low ABV beverage with a premium blend of exotic fruit juices. Fill up champagne all the way to the top. And now to make this color pop more, I'm going to add a little bit of edible sky blue glitter. Let's lightly stir it for a shimmer effect and enjoy this perfect combo of citrusy champagne cocktail with chocolate covered strawberries.